Guys, so this product has actually changed my life, bro, because I had a lot of tiny bumps, and if you're here, I'm assuming you have a lot of tiny bumps, and I don't have that many anymore. It's calming down. So I'm here to tell you why, so just keep on watching. So the tiny bumps you see on your face are not like the regular acne that you're thinking of. That's actually bacterial acne, and the tiny bumps are called Malassezia or fungal acne. And with Malassezia, you can tell it's different from bacterial acne because bacterial acne has it's like larger, redder, like irritating, and has pus coming out of it, while like the Malassezia are like just the tiny bumps on your forehead that just give you texture, and you're wondering why. And they're like the same skin tone as you, and sometimes they're a little itchy. So that's Malassezia. That's how you know you have Malassezia and not just like the regular acne. So because they're from two different sources, the regular acne products aren't going to help out. So the ones with salicylic acid and stuff like that, it's just not going to help because that removes like the dead skin cells that clog pores that cause acne, or bacteria killing ingredients to kill bacteria that's causing acne. But this is caused by fungus, so you need a different ingredient, and that's why I'm here to tell you about Nizoral. So this product is a lifesaver, I'm telling you. So it's anti-dandruff shampoo. I know that's like really weird, like it's weird, but it works because what causes dandruff is actually Malassezia. So there's Malassezia on your scalp that causes the itching and the flaking of your scalp. And it has an ingredient here, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce it correctly, Ketoconazole, 1%. And that's why like when you use the shampoo it works, but the same thing that's causing dandruff causes these tiny bumps on your face, Malassezia. So you need the dandruff shampoo to fight it off. So you leave this as a mask for 20 to 30 minutes. Sometimes I'm lazier, so it's like going to the 30-minute side, but it actually really works. I did it every day for 2 weeks. Like I've only been doing this for 2 weeks and there's such a difference. So I'm gonna put before and after pictures so you can see what I mean. But like my skin was like so textured before, but now it's like a lot smoother. Of course there's still texture, that it's skin, and like it's only been 2 weeks, but like even in the first couple days I saw such a big difference. So I highly recommend this to people. So yeah, just figure out how your skin likes it, but I would recommend 20 to 30 minutes every night. But then once you start seeing that difference, like ease off of it. So I'm gonna start doing it for like every other day, and then like go to like maybe twice a week and then once a week. So I'm gonna start easing off it since I saw the improvement. You can get this for $15 on Amazon.com. So I'll link it down below, and best $15 I've spent like all year probably. Like I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I'm wearing like a little concealer under my eyes because like I have kind of a little bit of bags, but not concealer on my face and a little brow. But yeah, so I still have like scars going on. I'm still working on that with like different products. Like the actual texture is just like a lot smoother, and even my pores are not as large. Like my pores were so large before, but like now it's just like a lot smoother. I still have like some bacterial acne, like this one popped up yesterday, of course, as soon as I'm gonna film. But like besides that, I don't have like major skin concerns as much as I did before. So I'll leave a picture somewhere so you can see. But yeah, I'm just so excited. But besides just the Nizoral, there's also a website that can help you too. It's called Sizia.com, and I'll leave it down in the description box. And you can put all the products that you use on your face, put the product name and then the ingredients that are on it. So like go to a website, find all the ingredients in your products or whatever, and then look it up in there, and it'll go through all the ingredients and tell you which ones promote the growth of Malassezia. So I was doing this last month, and it turns out the sunscreen that I was trying out, because I was trying a new sunscreen, it had 5 ingredients that promoted the growth of Malassezia, and I was just like, are you serious? Like that's why like when I was using that product it was so bad. But I was like, I have to use sunscreen, I have to protect my skin. But yeah, I got a new sunscreen now. I use CeraVe, it's actually right here. CeraVe, their sunscreen is really nice. I'm actually gonna do a review on it, I think, and about what sunscreens are the best and blah blah blah. But yeah, I was like, oh my god, wow, this is like, it's working out. And I put like all my other ingredients, like all my other products in there too to see. So all my products that I'm using right now don't have anything that promotes the growth of Malassezia, and that's been helping my skin out too. So I would highly recommend doing that, just to see like maybe there's a product that you're using that promotes the growth of it, and it's like hurting you more than helping you. Yeah, so I took out all the ones that had it. There's only 2 products in it, like the Ordinary's glycolic acid solution. I took it out because it had 2 ingredients that had it, and I was just like, nah, I want my skin to get better. And then I might go back to using that once a week because I actually like the product, but for now I'm not using it. And some of my makeup also has that, so if you really are prone to it and you want to see how to fix it, check your makeup products too. There's some that have like 2 ingredients, like one here, one there, but I don't wear makeup every day, and I like maybe once a week max, sometimes twice a week, and I'm not wearing it all day. It's like a couple hours, so I don't care as much because I know I keep up with my skin pretty much. So yeah, very simple solution to this, and I'm very glad, I'm happy to share it with you guys. So Nizoral and CZ.com, do those 2 things and your skin will get better, I'm telling you, because my skin has gotten better, and I'm very excited because it's gonna keep getting better. You know, next we're gonna get rid of the scars, so yeah. And I'm gonna do an updated skincare routine sometime, and then the sunscreen video. I have just so many videos in store for you guys. Like, I'm so excited because it's spring break finally. So thank you all for watching. Subscribe to my channel. You know, I'm trying to grow a bit. And share this video with anybody who's been having like textural issues, because like it's gonna be so helpful for them. And don't forget to like and comment. So thanks for watching, and see y'all later.